the main trail, there's the highway.
Yeah.
And the main trail is just right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right in front of that tower.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. This is nice.
So now we're coming up to another spot along the river. Yeah,
Oh, the bears.
this is where all the thorns
Bear
are.
country.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of raspberry bushes
Like,
and stuff.
these. My God.
Yeah.
Probably blackberries too.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, definitely blackberry bushes.
Yeah.
The bears will be out.
Yeah, and then
Not yet, but they will be.
And then once you get up over this little hill, it turns back into a real good camping place.
Oh my God, it's so gorgeous back here.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah, it's a nice place.
Babe. This is beautiful back here. Well, I knew it was here. I just haven't been back here.
Usually there's people swimming.
Yeah.
Up here. There's a
Beautiful
spot. That's where Cooper likes to go cliff diving.
Jump off the cliff?
No.
No, keep going, Coop.
Up here there's a spring. Up here there's a spring that flows through. So you can walk down to the river.
Beautiful here. My goodness.
Oh, he's having another doo-doo
Another poo-poo?
off the trail.
Another poo-poo.
Yeah. He's off the trail though, he said.
Good boy.
Might only be a foot off, but I'm still off the trail.
You're not gonna walk in it.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness.